If you want to create an Etsy account but don't know where to start, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Etsy is a popular platform where you can buy and sell handmade, vintage, and digital products. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can create your account without any confusion. First, go to the Etsy website or open the Etsy app on your device. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option and then click on Register to create a new account. You will be asked to enter basic details like your email address, name, and password. Make sure to use a valid email because you will need it for verification and future logins. After entering your details, click on Register. Etsy may send you a verification email. Open your email inbox, find the message from Etsy, and click on the verification link to confirm your account. You can also sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple if you prefer a faster option. In that case, just select your preferred option and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your account is created, you can customize your profile, add a profile picture, update your name, and set your preferences. This step is optional but helps personalize your experience. Now your Etsy account is ready to use. You can start browsing products, adding items to your cart, or even move forward to open your own shop if you want to sell. In short, go to Etsy, register with your details, verify your email, and your account will be ready in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials like this.